Some women don't look older because of wrinkles. They look older because of one silent mistake: the wrong hair color. A single shade can steal your glow or give you back 10 years. And the most shocking part? Most women never realize it's happening. My name is Summia, and today in this video, we are revealing 5 hair colors that secretly age you after 40, and 3 stunning shades that bring back youth, softness, and elegance instantly. If you love timeless beauty, quiet luxury, and graceful aging, subscribe now to my channel, Summia's Elegance. Aging is natural, but looking drained, harsh, or tired because of the wrong shade, that's optional. As Coco Chanel once said, you can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. Let's begin with the colors that quietly steal your light. 5 hair colors that instantly age you after 40. Wrong color. Number 1. Jet black, the harsh youth trap. Jet black looks powerful in your 20s, but after 40, it becomes unforgiving. It deepens shadows around wrinkles, dark circles, and sagging skin, making the face look harsher and more tired instead of elegant. Even style icons realize this with time. Courtney Cox softened her jet black after 40 because it aged her on camera, and Victoria Beckham moved from deep black to warm brunette to bring softness back to her face. Many women still use jet black to hide grays, believing darker means younger, yet it often ends up aging the entire face. Wrong color number 2. Ash blonde, the ash that drains your glow. Ash blonde may look modern and cool-toned, but after 40, it often becomes a quiet thief of radiance. Its gray and yellow undertones reflect directly onto the skin, draining warmth and making the face look dull, tired, and lifeless. What once looked edgy in youth can suddenly feel exhausting on mature features. Even Taylor Swift, known for her iconic blonde, strategically shifted away from icy ash tones to warmer honey shades as she matured, proving that warmth restores life to the face while ash steals it. Wrong color. Number 3. Burgundy and reddish purple tones. Burgundy and purple-red tones promise boldness and drama, but after 40 they often do the opposite of what women desire. These shades exaggerate facial redness, emphasize uneven skin tone, and make fine texture stand out more harshly. Rihanna carried deep reds beautifully in her 20s, but over the years she softened her reds into warmer copper and brown blends as her elegance evolved. The lesson is clear. Maturity demands softness, not shock. Wrong color number 4. Platinum and icy white blonde. Platinum and icy blonde shades may look striking on magazine covers, but in real life after 40, they compete harshly with natural graying, thinning hair, and fine lines. The brightness becomes overpowering instead of refreshing. Even Kim Kardashian eventually transitioned away from extreme platinum phases to softer dimensional blondes because icy white, though bold, often exposes age rather than disguising it. Wrong color number 5. One flat, single-tone color. One flat, single-tone color, whether dark or light, removes depth, kills softness, and pulls the face downward. Youth is never one-dimensional. It is always layered with light and shadow. Jennifer Aniston is the perfect example of this truth. For decades, she has avoided flat color completely, choosing dimensional highlights and lowlights that move with light, keeping her face lifted and youthful even as years pass gracefully. If you're learning something new right now, pause for 1 second and subscribe to Summia's Elegance. Every week, I share beauty secrets that never go out of style. Now, the 3 hair colors that instantly make you look younger. These are the shades that soften your features, lift your face, and restore natural glow. Right color number 1. Soft warm brown, the queen of youthful elegance. Soft, warm brown, chocolate, chestnut, and caramel reflects light beautifully, softens facial lines, and restores fullness and glow to the skin. Sophia Loren remained loyal to the warm brunette for decades, and her luminous elegance proves that warmth is the true secret of ageless beauty. Warm brown doesn't hide age, it harmonizes with it. Right color number 2. Honey blonde and golden highlights. Honey blonde and golden highlights brighten dull skin instantly, soften harsh facial lines, and create a natural youthful lift without fillers, surgery, or filters. Jennifer Lopez is the living symbol of this truth. Her golden highlights frame her face with warmth and light, keeping her glow alive year after year. Right color number 3. soft gray blends, and silver balayage. Modern blended gray and silver balayage is not about looking old. It is about looking powerful, confident, and refined. With softness and depth, silver becomes a crown, not a surrender. Helen Mirren transformed silver hair into a symbol of confidence and elegance, proving that sometimes embracing age gracefully can look younger than fighting it. Youth is not about chasing trends. It's about choosing harmony. Your hair should never compete with your face. It should soften it, lift it, and glow with it. A woman once told me, "I dyed my hair darker to look younger, but I only looked tired." When she switched to warm brown with soft highlights, people stopped asking her age and started asking her secret. If you want more beauty secrets that actually work after 40, subscribe to Summia's Elegance. Your elegance deserves timeless care. Until next time, stay elegant, stay radiant, and keep watching my channel for your weekly dose of timeless fashion inspiration.